Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I will show you how you can do really nice hearts out of wool. This is a really simple project. For this we will be using my 3.5mm needle and the Charity from Woolly Hugs. Charity is the name because 25 cents out of each spool that's bought are donated to charity, of course. So the little hearts I'm doing today, we're actually gonna do for a fundraiser, so I thought it might be a nice video to do as well. It's a really simple project and it goes really fast, so you get results pretty quickly and you can do many hearts in a little amount of time. So if you like how this looks and would like to try it out yourself, get some wool, a nice needle, and let's get started. So let's get started. We are leaving about 40 centimeters of the thread before we start the actual heart. That way we get a nice little hanger at the end when we are done, and that's what we're gonna do as our last step. So this is optional, of course, you don't have to, but I find it nice because then you can hang it up somewhere so everyone can see. Let's start by doing 5 chains. Another chain for the height, and then I'll go into the back side of the chains with a single crochet. So always into the back section. So I have here a nice straight edge, then again a chain for the height, turn, and into each stitch we again do a single crochet. Four, five, and now we have 2 rows. We again need 5 rows of these singles, so we are going to do that really quick. And 5, another row done, chain for the height and turn. Four and the 5th, and that's how we do row 4. One more chain for the height, and we are starting the last row. Now I have a square, 5 rows and 5 stitches per each. And now we will continue with a treble crochet in the 3rd row. So we're gonna do that by doing yarn over the needle and into the side in the single of the 3rd row we go through and do a treble. Second one, and then a half double treble, so yarn 2 times over the needle, go through the same spot and pull the thread through. Then take the thread and pull through 2 loops, and take the thread and go through the 3 loops. And I'll repeat again, but this time with a regular treble. Again into the same spot. There we are. That was a whole treble. Now we again do the half double treble, so follow my lead. There we go. Then 2 more trebles. Now a slip stitch into the first stitch. That's my first half of the heart, and now I'll go into this spot so that I get the second half. So into the third stitch with a treble, and after that one a second treble, and after that another doubled half treble. So go through 2 and through 3, then a doubled treble, 3 times through 2 loops, then again a doubled, two more trebles, then a slip stitch into the last stitch, cut off and pull. The longer beginning thread I'll pull through the top middle stitch between the 2 bows on top, and I'll just do it in chains. I'll do 10, pull through and cut off. And now you can go through here with anything you want, your keychain for example. This thread you gotta weave in, and then you're already done. So you see that the project is super simple, and it's also really cool for beginners as well, since it's really short and really easy. So let's see how much wool we actually used. Six hearts on here, since one is less than 1 gram. So 7 hearts have 10 grams total. So with a spool that's 50 grams, you get 5 times 7, which is 35 hearts. So it's super cool, and you see you don't need much materials. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section. You can also shoot a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!